In the voice of Mr. Obase, Emeka Ugwuonye, I want to understand exactly what your problem is. Now, this case of May, Edochie, and Auntie Gbegbe, na Odiegwubai, the son of Odogwu. Because, you seem to have a problem more na the reaction or how the main nations carry themselves. And I am forced to ask you, what does it have to do with the KCG at hand? Let me give you an example. Emelu Bilod FC, where the Rattles. Owewuluna Bilod na VDM we case na court. VDM will supporters who are Rattles. Bilod will supporters who are Bilod FC. Can you tell me what the actions of the Bilod FC or the actions of the Rattles have to do with the actual case that is in court? I want to know. Because when you talk about the actions of either VDM or Bilod on how it will jeopardize their cases, it will be different. But we have never heard Edochie talk about this matter between Nyanadie. We have never heard her say, people are no actually things from her mouth. So I am asking, because I heard a lot of people, main nations, this one, they were writing a lot of things, bullying this person. So tell me, can you the actions of the main nations who were to do with the actual case involved with me? Na court with the or Diego. I am asking you, let us stop being childish. Let us stop being childish. President Tinubu nwere case currently nyana Showore when a court where Showore called him a criminal or be a thief. So the state Shaja Showore to court. So I want you to tell me what the activities or the words or the reactions of the Barrett guys, take it back movement. Tell me what it has to do with that case and what the members of the APC, who are people who loyal to the president, want to do in this matter. I want you to tell me. Tell me. I want to know. Because I don't understand. I am failing to understand what the man on a try that why the case is in court, why they are trying to follow the case, that the main nations, different groups who are in solidarity to May Edochie started making mockery of this, started jeopardizing the case. I want to understand what the activities of supporters of May has to do with this case in this matter. When May has not said anything, tell me how the activities of a man who is probably living in UK, who doesn't even have a direct phone number or who has never even been in contact with May. They don't have contact, they don't even speak. The man, I'm talking about most of these main nations. They are all people who are living in different parts of the world. Many of them, in fact, about 99% of them, do direct phone number of May. Are not in contact with May. They don't talk with her. They are only sympathizers of May. And she cannot control them. She cannot control them because she doesn't have any avenue to even control them. So tell me, these are the people you cannot control. People who are loyal to you, You cannot control them. Especially when they see things happening to you, they tend to react in different ways. Just like currently, the way people are reacting with matters concerning VDM, those are rattles. People are reacting in matters concerning B-Lord, those are B-Lord FC. Those are reacting in the matters concerning Showore, those people who the Beret guys to take it back movement. Those that are reacting in matters concerning President Tinubu, those people who APC. Yes, the city boys. Those that are reacting in matters concerning P2B, those people who obedient. I can go on and on and on. So tell me what the obedient had to do with the case P2B na Kenneth Okonkwo Andy Nwelu na court. The way the obedient are analyzing the case, the way they are speaking to Kenneth Okonkwo and all this, tell me what it has to do. Jeopardize the case P2B Nwelu na court. Sometimes I am failing to understand. Yeah, I don't want to say much because when somebody who claimed to be a lawyer start being unnecessary, emotional, and start being sentimental, I don't understand where all these things. Even ministry weba no pi ubogo. Mano when you could just go joy. Nya Emeka Ugwuonye ama na wuruko Mr. Obase. Yeah, the thing do funny, honestly. The thing do funny. I don't understand. The thing do funny. The people who involved in the matter did not do anything wrong, which is Mr. Obase or Queen May. They did not do anything in particular, nor the fans of these people. Their reactions, we feel jeopardize the case. Their reactions, so if you push you off track, their reactions, people you can't even control. How do you expect Mr. Obase or how do you expect Queen May to control them? Except if there are many other things. But these are the major things in understanding from that podcast and watching. Anyway, what do I know? This is Ezugo.